Hello, guys. I'm Shashmita, and welcome to the very first episode of TDSM with Project Discussion. TDSM stands for Technology, Development, Software, and more. Here we basically discuss about the best projects which are registered under Diversion 2022. And today with me, I have Debayud Mitra, who is the project lead of the tree-based algorithms approach on predicting customer satisfaction. Debayud, hello there.
Hello guys, it's Debayad here, and I am a sophomore pursuing BTech in CAC from IIM Kolkata.
Okay. Thank you for that. Also, if you could just give like a small introduction to your project, like the name and what it is all about.
So my project predicting customer satisfaction is basically a customer satisfaction project by which you can see, and it mainly deals with predicting and giving positive and negative feedback from the customers. Okay, so it's a machine learning project where we use various machine learning algorithms to predict the customer satisfaction. You can say.
Okay, so we have like around what 50 plus projects registered under Diversion with various
Yes.
of topics. So why did you choose a ML project? Like why this topic?
So I chose this project because I want to get an overview of the data analysis and the data visualization and the various machine learning algorithms which work in this project. Okay, so the machine learning algorithms which determines the predicting customer satisfaction, and moreover, I just wanted to do something hands-on. I went to Kaggle and chose a data set and started working on it.
Okay, so you used Kaggle, right? Could you just
Yeah.
give our audience like a small, like, just what is Kaggle all about? Like maybe many of them haven't heard it or they don't use it.
Yes, many. At first, when I was in first year, I was also unknown to Kaggle. Then gradually, I came to know about Kaggle. Kaggle is basically a data science website where we can get machine learning codes, data sets, and various competitions which are ongoing on Kaggle. So we can participate in them also. So it's a website where we can get codes.
Oh, so you started with this since your first year, right? And you're second
Yeah,
year right now.
yeah.
Okay. So you're quite familiar with Kaggle now.
Yeah.
And so you said a lot of things about ML. So what are the technical, could you like give a small technical overview like of your project, what you have used in it, like the approach, the ML approaches?
Yes. As I said earlier, it's a machine learning project, and I have done it using Python language. I have done it in Jupyter Notebook, and the tech stack which I used are basically NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, Seaborn, and all these. And you can say the goal of this project is to compare three models of machine learning algorithms like decision tree, XBoost classifier, random forest, all these. Okay, and for by using them, we can determine the most accurate and efficient machine learning algorithm model to predict the customer satisfaction on this e-commerce dataset from Kaggle.
Okay. So you said NumPy, right? NumPy,
Yes,
pandas.
yes.
So these topics, like which you mentioned, which you've used in your project. Did you learn these on your own, or was these a part of your college curriculum?
At first, I would like to say yes, it was a part of our college curriculum only, but I
Okay.
eventually learned it from YouTube mostly,
Yeah,
and I
like
had
most of us. Yes.
yes, exactly. I learned it from YouTube only at beginning, and then I surf on very various websites and did some courses from Coursera, EDX, Udemy, and by that I gained my knowledge and skill.
Okay. So basically, YouTube is the savior, right? Use
Yeah,
YouTube and Coursera. We
definitely.
learn more from there than we actually do in college.
Definitely.
Yeah, and like, do you have like contributors to your project, like, right?
Yes.
So, how many of them are there? Like, your,
Presently, I have approx 10 contributors, and all of them are working very nicely.
yeah. So, what have their contributions been so far? Like, the project has been ongoing for like a few, not a
Yes,
few
few
months, like
weeks.
a month
Yeah, few
maybe,
weeks.
like,
Yeah.
yeah, a few weeks. Yeah.
Yes. And yeah, I would firstly like to say that they made very effective commits. One of them used better algorithms for predicting the customer satisfaction. If we were doing just nominal changes in EDA, the explorated data analysis and data visualization. So all these, and they always finish and give updates to me, and I reply them via WhatsApp or mail. And they also created pull requests and issues, which I handle myself only.
So they have been working efficiently,
Yes, yes,
right? So you
definitely,
have been a
definitely.
good team lead.
Yeah,
Okay.
hope so,
And
hope so.
and like they have been like the you have known them from before, or are these like new people you've been meeting, your contributors? Because in GitHub, it's an open source project and anyone can contribute to your project basically.
Yes,
So
yes. Yeah, I know few of them from beginning only. The three of them are my college mates only, and rest are juniors from IM only, and few are out of West Bengal. To be honest.
okay, okay. So they have been like working from home for your
Yeah,
project.
yeah, yeah. One is
Okay.
from Tamil Nadu, most probably I remember, and one from Madhya
Okay.
Pradesh, that area.
Okay, so it's been like a national work going on.
Yeah,
It's yeah, that's the beauty of open source
open
projects.
source. Yeah,
Like
definitely,
anyone, yeah,
definitely.
anyone from anywhere can
Yeah,
help you with your project.
and by diversion only, I'm getting this opportunity, so that's a very cool thing.
Yes, yes, it's been a huge platform for us for like, first timers. We all are first year, second years, third
Yeah,
years too.
yeah.
And like, so is your project like at a mature state already, or like a few features are yet to be added, or it needs to be developed more?
Yeah, from my hand, it's like a beginner intermediate stage project, not an advanced level project. Okay, because
Okay,
the
yeah, obviously we
implementation
are
part
just
is,
second years. Yeah,
yeah,
we are
yeah,
just
yeah.
learning. Yeah,
The
yeah.
implementation part is left out. Hope so I will do it myself, or if I get any contributor, let's see. And like I would like to mention that by using geopandas, it's also a Python library. Okay, we can get the geolocation of the data set, and we can implement in that way also. If possible, anyone can do that, that would be really helpful. And moreover, I
Okay,
would like to
okay.
say that using plotly, it's also Python libraries used for data visualization, and we can get a better data visualization than matplotlib and cbones.
Okay, okay. So yeah, maybe if we have audiences who knows how to do it, can definitely help you out. And also, like, have you faced any problem in your these weeks of experience? And if you have, how you've tackled it? Like, because it's an open source with so many people around you and so many people contributing. So
Yes.
whom to take, whom not to, which to. It's like since you're a team lead, you must be
Yeah,
facing
yeah,
some,
yeah.
a lot of
Uh,
work.
yes, definitely, definitely. At first, I would like to say there are approx 24 to 25 members, okay, and it was a
Okay.
huge. So after them, I
Okay.
shortlisted. I just choose ten of them most probably.
Okay.
So
Okay. Yeah,
and
that's a
now,
hectic work. Who to
yeah,
choose
yeah,
and who
yeah,
not to.
yeah. That
Yeah.
was very scary also, because most of them I don't know. I just check their GitHub profiles and LinkedIn, and then
Yes.
I just
Yes.
shortlisted. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And,
Yes. Right. That's
yeah.
the only interface where you know them too, right?
Yes. Yes.
So,
Yes. Yes.
and like, since like this is not your college curriculum work, right? This project thing is like totally on your own. It's an
Yeah.
extracurricular work, and you're
Yeah. That's
second year
right.
like me, so I know how much college pressure can be. So, how are you managing like both your college work simultaneously with these projects?
Firstly, I would like to say that I have come across this question many a times before. Okay,
Yeah, we all
and
need time management like
yes, so this is a
advices.
very general
Yeah.
question. Even my contributors also ask me this question.
Okay.
Basically, what I feel like it is like in the night time I do more extracurricular activities. I surf various websites, so some YouTube videos and all these. And the extracurricular projects and activities I mostly do at night only, and the brain functions quite well at that time. There's no noise and it's like
Nocturnal
calm
people. Yes.
area. Yeah, and
Okay.
my college work I do it in daytime only mostly, and it perhaps changes because of our college schedule, but I try to do it
Yeah,
in
yeah, you
daytime.
got to be flexible. Otherwise,
Yeah, yeah,
like one
definitely,
day you think you're
definitely.
gonna do it from this timing to this timing, and suddenly
Yes,
the
yes.
next day you get work and you get
Yeah,
overloaded,
definitely,
and you have to be
definitely.
flexible. Yep. So you just said
Yep.
like even your contributors have been asking you. So like,
Yes,
did you get till date like any compliment, working with your fellow contributors or anyone,
got
or
it.
like
I
while
got
doing
that.
at this project? Okay, okay.
Yeah. The best compliment I have received is like from one of my fellow juniors only, that I am very much helpful and supportive. So thank
Yeah.
you to him for saying me such a thing, because uh, it really motivated me, to be honest. by working
Hmm.
with them, and this compliment also helped me a lot. I got more passionate about my
Yeah.
work.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, we all need that small amount of, push, even if
Yes,
it's
yes,
just a one line compliment. Yes, and like, so it's been like diversion. Before this, we were all online, right? We hardly knew each other and thing, but
yes,
diversion bought like, speaking from my experience, I hardly knew my juniors or seniors, and diversion has bought like all the years like together,
yes.
and
Mainly
it's
first
been
year,
like,
second year, and third year. Yeah,
yes,
definitely.
yes. Even my batchmates, I didn't know them because we are such a huge, batch. It's kind of difficult, and also other colleges,
Yeah.
interacting with them. So, how has your experience been working with your fellow contributors, juniors, seniors, anyone like you've come across
Yeah.
during this project?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. At my first, I was a bit nervous. Okay, to be honest, I was very
Yeah,
much
we all
nervous
are.
about
Like I am also like right now too.
yeah, right now also I'm a bit nervous, but yeah, then I overcome at first. But then after a month of working, not a month, few weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, okay, I
Hmm.
really felt very good working with them, to be honest. And my experience as a project lead was quite nice with them, and I really enjoyed working with them because I came across many new talents also. Few of them were better than me, to be honest,
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
never worked as a team before
Definitely.
diversion. As
Yes.
diversion is a huge one now, and it's giving
Yes.
open source opportunity like this, and which is mainly our college event only, an open source college event from our college only.
It's
So
a bigger
yes,
opportunity, yeah,
yeah,
to be
definitely,
not
definitely.
only in the like in the project work, but also in the working committee and all. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah.
I have done few open source before also, but like this is our
Okay,
college
okay.
event, so this is like the best.
Okay, so you've been like contributed to other projects, but never been like, have you been like a lead or something of a project before?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
So there is a
So,
question.
yeah, yeah, say.
What are the problems you are facing in this open source? Yeah, problems like the communication from the few of them I am facing. Like few of them are replying, few of them are not replying. So this is problem I am facing, to be honest. But okay, it's okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So thank you, Shovik, for your question. I hope he's answered it. And so, do we have any other questions? No, I guess. So, okay. If anybody wants to ask from the audience, you can, or we'll. Okay, so I can't say anymore. So I think that's it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Debayud, and
Thank
all
you.
the
Many, many
audiences
thanks.
for
Yes, yes,
tuning in. We will be back next week with more such discussions of all the
yes,
best projects of Diversion 2022. Hope you all had a best, like a good time, and over and out. Thank you.
yes. Right.